and a clean workspace. It is important to prevent contamination. Contamination is when you, say you have a glass of water and you put poop in it. That's contamination. If you have long hair, no hair in the food, so tie it back or use a hat. When you're preparing food, do not touch your face or your hair. Know where everything is and wash your hands. You need to know where all the food, knives, forks and spoons are. Because if you're making a food and you need to make a fruit salad, you need to chop the fruit up and you just find that all the knives are in the dishwasher. Now I will make the food. The things you'll need is a clean kitchen, a frying pan, cooking oil, 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 uncooked chicken egg, a mixing bowl, something to stir with. You need a spatula, butter, maple syrup, and clean hands. And the instructions are clean kitchens. Have a clean kitchen, clean your hands, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan, heat at number 7, mix egg, flour and milk until it's only one big goopy mess. Pour a little bit of the goop in the frying pan and small bubbles appear, flip packet over and wait 30 seconds and then serve. Please be good, and perfect.
Yeah, delicious. Thank you.
You're welcome. You should try them with maple syrup.
All right, Chris, I think that qualifies as cleaned up. All right, come here, say a few words.
Words. Bye. I'm going to make cupcakes. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Which I'm going to have to put through in a little bit. The ingredients are 125 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 3/4 of a cup filled with caster sugar, 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, 1.5 cups of self-raising flour, 2 12-hole cupcake pans. Well, it was preheated, the oven was preheated for 20 minutes and now it's baking for 20 minutes.
Yum. Now I guess it's time to clean up.
Yep.
Wonderfully clean kitchen. Excellent. There are the cupcakes there, waiting under that.
Get on. Get on. And for the last one, 2.
Done.
One of them has 2.
Excellent.
All the hard effort and work.
Well done, Christopher. Well done, pal.
I think 1 scribed. Jeremy should get the one with the most sprinkles.
It's like it's someone's birthday.
All right, Christopher. Verdict?
10 out of 10.
Very nice.
Is it good?
Yeah, not poisonous or anything. No, it's good.
I'm going to be making a no-bake vanilla slice recipe. And these are the ingredients it needs. Soft icing mixture, light thickened cream, 2 bottles, aka 600 grams, butter, passion fruit pulp, instant pudding, vanilla flavored, lattes, and milk.
I'm going to say delicious.
This is my first time.
Tastes really good. I think it's delicious.
First, I am going to clean this. Then I am going to wash my hands. And then I am going to take a bowl out, cut up fruit and put fruit in it. And then make some ham and cheese scrolls. Figure it out. Stuff from the bottom to the top though. Ham and cheese scrolls. Even though it says cheese and ham scrolls. as fun part. Yum. I've just cut them up and made them, and then my dad put them on the tray there and put them in the oven. And they will be there for 20 minutes.
That looks pretty good.
These are going to be delicious, and I'm gonna love them. Awesome!
Yeah? And you made them?
9.
9 out of 10? All right. Let's have a taste. That's quite nice.
Second course. And so you cut all this up, Christopher?
Yeah.
I don't do that. There you go. Perfect. Thank you. I'm done.
Okay, my time now. That's all I'm going for. Right now, that's all I'll go for. Later on, I'll pick stuff.
Jam, do you want some fruit salad?
Tell me when to stop. Blueberries. I ate some rock
Good
melon.
source of iron.
What was I thinking about?
Well, the mess isn't too bad.
I was probably thinking about these.
Okay, so you got your own breakfast consisting of at least one hot dish and included a drink. That breakfast was pikelets. Of the 3 things that need to be done there, you did cook a batch of, you did pikelets, you made an uncooked slice, and you prepared a 2-course lunch for yourself and that up.